Okay. So I'm passing to the console. Okay, I can see the screen. So first you try to create a table in the Oracle first with this metadata what I have been supplied. Okay, SQL plus Scott Tiger. So create table. Right. See, the syntax is a bit different. So after member, you open the open bracket, right? Give the column names as mentioned in the file. Member ID, which give it as integer. Then the second one is member name, which is varchar of 20, and then coverage stage, date. Okay, you should try to create the enter. We need to do a small slight change. That is, see, in Teradata or in other databases, the date format will be like YY, MM, DD. But when it comes to Oracle, like the date format will be YY hyphen. We need to supply the month name. That is first 3 characters of the month, and then we need to give the date. So please modify the file. So it will be like SCP 2012, SCP capital, SCP in capitals, and tab in capitals. Okay, and SCP. Okay, fine. You save it. So the table is created. Okay, so you open the Datastage now. Yeah. So this is the Datastage window. So press cancel. Press Control N. Control N. Okay. So here we need to do a parallel jobs. Okay. Let me talk what is a parallel job and what is a. Yeah. You click on OK. Okay. Click on OK. So a new screen will be opening. Click on OK there. Right. So a new screen got appeared, right? So this place is called Canvas, where we are going to work our Datastage jobs. Okay. So there are 2 types of jobs here. That is actually 3 types. There are mainframe jobs, there are parallel jobs, and server jobs. But right now in most of the projects we are using the parallel jobs only. And what is a parallel job and what is a server job? So in the server job, in the sense, we are not going to do, we are going to do only parallel jobs only. So earlier when we were studying our 6th or 7th class, we used to solve a problem, right? A person has done a work in 3 days, and if it is being done by 3 people, in how many days it can be done? So obviously it is 1 day. So here the concept of parallelism came. That is, a single thing is being splitted and being done parallelly. So it operates in a parallel mode. So here 2 concepts comes. One is pipeline parallelism and partitioning parallelism. And we will talk about the theory completely. If we complete the 60% of the data stage, then I will talk about the theory. Otherwise it will be very much boring. So this is the place where you are going to work. The new screen what you have been, what is there here. And see, I said like we will be loading the data from file to table, right? So we will be using a file stage and a table stage. So what is a file stage? So in the here you can see file at the left hand corner, right? You move file, you go come down. Yeah, here you file, you open there. Yes, open there. So you scroll down. Sequential file is there, right? You take it, drag it, and keep it in the canvas. Perfect. Next, I told you, right, we will be using the table, right? So table means it will be in the database. So you click on database here, scroll down, perfect, and yeah, Oracle Enterprise you take it. Perfect. So right. So it's a simple transformation, right? You drag it right. So it's a simple transformation. So it doesn't have any business rules. Just you are directly dumping and loading the data into a table, right? So one thing, you make it with big screen. This one, please make it with big screen. Right, perfect. Now, just you drag. See, you click on sequential file _0. Right, drag a link from it. Drag it. No. With right. With right mouse click. Drag a link from it. You will get a link. Drag a link from it. Perfect. Join Oracle Enterprise page. Perfect. Okay. So this is the skeleton of the job. That is, you are pulling the data from sequential file and then you are loading the data into a Oracle table. That is perfect. So you built a skeleton and you don't want to lose your work. So just you go to file and save it. Go to file on the upper corner and save it. Save. So, okay, under the jobs folder, under the jobs, you have jobs, right? Click on jobs, right click, make new folder under jobs. It's your name. Right. Perfect. So it's like this. Okay, perfect. You click on Ali, and now under the job name, you see we will be using a convention. That is Datastage job, right? So write capital D and capital S, and then it will be loading file to table, right? So okay, you give underscore file underscore to underscore table. Perfect. Okay. Save. See, if a layman sees the job, he doesn't know what is this and what is this. So we need to give just some sort of context to this. So you click on general here about database. You click on general, right? You click on annotation, right? You just drag and drop annotation down this, somewhat down. Okay. You paste it here, and then you expand it. By dragging it any one of the link, right? Okay. There you give the job name. Is it job name? Right. Table and developed by your name. Okay. And then purpose you write. Purpose and the semicolon and write the next line. Enter, press enter. Purpose. Just double click on it. Right. Okay. Don't cancel it. Now press enter. Click on Ali. Okay. Now press enter. Purpose. Right. This job loads the data from a file and to paste that file to a table. Oracle table member. Perfect. So this is a standard notation. See, one more thing. Okay. That's okay. So we have some naming conventions that we need to follow, but this is not mandatory. It will be varying from company to company. So just to click on the sequential file _0, right click, click on that and then right click, right, rename. So keep it like seq underscore member underscore in. So what is this? Sequential file input, right here, and click on Oracle. Same way you rename it to orc underscore member underscore out. So your skeleton is ready. Now you need to give the properties of the job. See one thing. if you see, there is something called metadata. Have you listened about the thing, right? Metadata means data about the data. So initially we need to give the metadata, and so that the file picks the data. So you double click on the sequential underscore member underscore in. So there are two ways of giving the data. One is manually, and the other thing is we can do it by using Datastage. First I will say manually. Later we will look into how we need to give it to using Datastage. You click on cancel. Okay, fine. Okay, see. So here, see, this is the screen you can see. So we have properties. File is, see, we have in red color. File is equal to question mark, right? File is equal to question mark. So, wait. You go and click on the right arrow button there. Browse for file option will be there. Click on the browse for file option is there, right? Perfect. And here, we need to go to our desktop. This is C drive only. Okay. Where is it? It's not an IBM. We already gave. Okay, go to documents and section. All users to go. So who is your users? There. We placed the file in one part, right? Back. Administrator. Can you click on administrator? Desktop. Right. Member underscore. This is our file, right? Okay, press OK. So you gave the part, right? So you go to column. No, not that column. The column here. Above the file, right. So there we need to do the metadata. First we'll do manually. So you open the file and check the metadata. So the first thing will be the member ID. Copy it, member ID. See, the name should be same. It's case sensitive. So copy from the file and directly paste it. Only member ID. You select only member ID. First column. You remove the delimiter, right? You paste, click on column name. So click on column name, paste it. And what is the SQL type for it? It is an integer, right? So select integer. There, drop down. Select integer is there. Perfect. Second one. Member name. Only member name you select. Copy it. And here you paste it. Right. So here it will be like change it to varchar. Scroll down. You can see varchar 20. Length is equal to 20, right? Okay. And the third one also do the same way. Coverage date. Perfect. And it is date. Perfect. Right. Here I think we may see one problem. Make it as char of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Coverage date. So coverage date is there, right? So make it as varchar. I will say why you need to make it as varchar. Varchar binary is make it as varchar. And what is the length for it? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is. Right? No. Perfect. Okay. And then go to format. Here go to format. Beside columns, go to format. Right? final delimiter is n. So we don't have a delimiter at the end of the file, right? It doesn't have any delimiter, so it's perfect. And our delimiter is comma is here, right? So you change it. Delimiter is, click on delimiter is equal to comma. Click on the right. Here you scroll down, and keep. Go to first option, first one. Go up, type, keep there, and there you type the pipe symbol. Perfect. Quote is equal to double. You change it to none because you are not using any quote. None. Perfect. And then everything is fine, I think here. Press on OK. Press on OK. Down. At the down. Perfect. Now wait, once again click the sequential underscore member underscore in. Right. Click on it. Double click on it. Now you press on view data. Yeah, let got disconnected. Okay. Press on OK now. Press on OK. Here also press on OK. Press on OK. So you need to see the record whether they are fetching or not. So it's fetching the data, right? So you are perfect on the source side. Okay. So you close it now. And now press OK. Okay. And then you open it. Oracle underscore open it. Perfect. I think it's better to use another stage than Oracle underscore. There may be some problems if you use this. So once you please cancel this. Cancel. Okay, click on Oracle underscore number underscore. Okay, you simply press delete button. Delete. Just delete it. Yes. Go to database. And again, you scroll up once. ODBC. You click on ODBC. No. There. One more drop down is there. In ODBC. You click on it. Right, ODBC Enterprise. Perfect. I will show you the difference, what the difference between these two. And you can say you keep it there. Join the link there. Perfect. You open it. Underscore 5. You double click on it. So, what is our table? Give our table a name. No. Give our table a name. Here not be required. In the sequential file only we will do browser file. So our table name is member, right? Give the table name member. And our mode is write. Yes, it is write. And our mode is append. Append means it will be adding the record. That's it. So connection. You click on data source. Perfect. There. No. Wait. Click on connection first. Click on connection. Click not on data source. Click on connection. So make it. Click on user. It came right side. Okay. And Scott you give. Scott. Right. SCOTT. Okay. And click on connection. Click on password. Tiger you give. Okay. On data source you can give Oracle. No, data source. Above password you have, right? Above password. Here, under connection, data source. Give Oracle. CLE. Oracle. Okay. Click on columns. So we gave here Oracle where the may face issue. Okay, keep it as it is. You click on OK and save it first. You need to make small change in the table layout. Perfect. Now you open the Oracle SQL Plus. You drop the table and recreate it by giving coverage data as varchar of 11. See, there is one issue if you deal with the date. Initially I started working with the date and converting it to varchar. You may feel it is complicated. Later I will do it. You copy the same statement and change the coverage date to varchar of 11. Change coverage date to varchar of 11. You need to use that step. Close it. Perfect. Right. Enter. Okay, table created. So now you save it, right? So see above, table got created. Above your sequential number file, you can see one layout of all the icons. So you have a green icon, right? Like star symbol. Above that, right. Beside that, you have one more. Left side, you go one step left, right. So you click on that. So we need to compile the job first. Okay. Click close. Close. Next, you run the job. Click on run. Click on run here. Okay. Okay. So your job ran successfully. That's why it showed the green symbol. So you completed the job. It loads the data from a sequential file and it loads the data into a Oracle table. Now you go to tools. Go to tools once. Open run director. Click on run director down right. So run director is the one where you can check the log. Where you can see whether the job ran successfully or not. So our first job is completed. So you check the count in Oracle table now. Number in Oracle you check. Select count of person. Number, right? Only 2. You get 3 records, right? But why it is 2? Semicolon. Okay, type it at the end, we need to do semicolon. Salman, actually, what about the third one? Let's see what I have to do. You open the file once. You open the input file once. What's the thing? 1, 2, 3. So we are missing the third one, right? First, the second one. This one, sure, why it got failed? Okay. You see the director. Let's see in the director what has happened. You click on, okay. Right click on it. View log you press. No, down. View log. Perfect. You maximize it. So it is saying member ID has an import error and no default value. Okay. So for member ID we give integer. There is no issue with the member ID. One got rejected, white got rejected. You open the input file once. Input file. process. You open the Datastage diagram, you will see what had happened. Datastage designer. You give a critical time number to the student. It is with the data process. Click on it. So this is the we need to debug now. What is the issue? Why one record got rejected? Click on it. Click on view data, that is right side. Click on see. Here we give cancel it. Here we give first line is column names, right? The property is set to false, so make it as true. Process missing file no data, select move. Continue report process here. Okay. Now keep okay. That's okay. Double click on sequential member underscore. View data now. So all are working fine. 1, 2, 3. Look, just close. Okay. Once again run the job. Compile it and run it. Close. And now run it. Run. Okay, now we check the count here. Okay. Just start, you do start. The same because the third one is rejected. There is one. See, okay, we'll talk about it just later. So if the mode was append right, you click on ODBC enterprise underscore file. Right side. So the mode was right mode was append right. Append. Second, third one. Append. So there are different types of modes. You hold on it. So replace. If you use replace, then it will be an update. Truncate in the sense the table will be dropped and recreated. And create in the sense the table will be created. And truncate in the sense the contents of the table will be deleted and it will be loaded. So now what will be happen? That means the existing rows will be same and the new rows will be added to it. And if it is replaced, it will be an update. You think it replaced now and run. Okay. Compile. Close. Run. So now you check the data. I think it should be true. So it is true, right? So it got replaced. So now you please add 2 more rows to the member underscore details.txt file. Two 2013 you got 2013. Save it. Okay, now the mode is replaced. So all the new records which are not present should be there and the existing records should be modified. So you compile and run now. Run. Five records. Now check the content. Start from one there. I think the record got rejected. What is getting rejected? Yeah. Okay, let's do one thing. In the file, you take Akshay and Salman out. Delete those. First, second, third you delete. First, second, third you delete. And delete. Save it. Open the sequential underscore member underscore in and check whether the file is getting new data. It is shown here. So close it. Okay, that's okay. And run it. Compile and run it. Run. Right. Just one run. Now you see the data. So these two rows are constructed. One thing, I think there is no issue with it, but this is a pirated version. I think this is the issue with it. I think it works fine if you use the actual Datastage. I think it is fine now. So I will give you an assignment of giving one file. Can you create a table? Well, I will tell you one more example. You open the Datastage up. Open the Datastage up. You click on ODBs underscore enterprise underscore file. Open it. And here you have table, right? Click on table and change it to member underscore DUP. Underscore DUP, right? And write mode is there, right? You change it to create. No, that one is same. Right. Keep it right. And keep it. Change it to create. Right. Okay. That's okay. Compile. Close. Now you run it. Run. So our new table member underscore DUP should be created. You haven't created the table in Oracle, right? You check whether the table is there or not. So okay. Select from date member underscore DUP. So it created the table and even it inserted it. But if you run that for the second time, it again tries to create the table, and the job will be aborted. You try to run second time. You try to run the same job second time. So it got aborted because the table is already using. That's what you can see in the log also. Open the log and check. Okay. It's okay. Name is all. ODBC driver for Oracle. You open it. Table creation save. You click on it. You can get the detailed error. table creation same. Double click on it. Name is already used by an existing object. So it is already there. So we shouldn't use the table. We shouldn't use the create option, because for the second time it will be running, it will try to create as the table is existing, the job will be aborted. So and now open the Datastage job. Okay, click on ODBC Enterprise and profile. See, so you got all the options of write mode, right? Create. So I will tell you once again, you listen. Click on write mode, and create means it will create a new table. Append means it will add the data to the existing data. So the existing data plus new data. Replace means it will update, and truncate means it will delete it and load it. Okay, it will delete it and load it. So we have one more thing here. Write mode, write method is equal to write, and write method is equal to update. Update is just update plus insert. If it is a new record, it will be. If it is a new record, it will insert, or else it will update. Okay. So you can work on all the combinations, right? You can try to work on all the combinations. Okay, fine. See, I will be mailing you this video, and once you go through the video, and later you work on my assignment for the first step, and let's do a small change to this. That is, ODBC data, everything is fine. Okay, click on OK. Everything is fine. You change the write mode to something like anything like append. Write mode. Append. Right. Save it and compile it. Okay, perfect. And you close the job. Click on run and you close the job. Not a problem. Okay, no problem. You close the job. It will be fine. So you go to job. Job, Ali. And from there, right click on it. And create copy. So the same job will be created with copy of additional added before it. So you can rename it. So just right click on it, rename, remove copy of from it, copy of you remove it, and DS file to table is fine. Here you change, in between two you keep modify, MODIFY, modify. Wait, I will say later on I will do it modify. I will use, you change it to copy. COPY. Okay. Click somewhere else. Right? Now you open that. So here I am having the same file. I need to load the same file into two tables with same metadata. Right? So we have two tables, right? One is member underscore DUP and member underscore team. So by using the same file, I need to load the data into two tables. So we need one more ODBC Enterprise file. So go to ODBC, click drop down on ODBC. Okay, ODBC Enterprise, drag it and drop it here, right? And see, you try to pull a link from sequential file. One more link, but you don't get a link, because sequential file allows only one input or else one output. It will be a reject link. Reject link in the sense, if any data got rejected, that data will be moving into this. I will transfer later on this. You remove it. So what you do is you click on the arrow mark. What you have, click on the arrow mark. Move. Right. Pull down left side. Pull down left side. Pull down. Get it down. Click on it and get it down. Yes. Make it, no, don't make it like. Let it be go left side. Let it go left side. Somewhat, yes, keep it left side. And here you have processing right in left side. Processing left side, complete left side. No, in the stages, where you start file database, there is one more tab called processing. In the palette, I say this is palette, processing. You take copy paste here, copy you have, copy, copy, right. Pick it. Okay, tag it here. You haven't joined correctly. If you join it, the red color should disappear. So make it somewhere. No. You haven't joined it. The red color should be joined. Right. You pull two links from it and join the two tables. One more link from it. Perfect. And now, see, you need to map the data to the target. So open copy. Right. Click on output. You have two outputs. So click on column. Expression column name is here, right? Above that, no, that one. Go to mapping. Left side of column. Mapping. See, you have expressions, right? Under column name, right? Above that one column is there, right? One column. Click on that, right? Pull it. Just pull it. Right, pull it. Right, keep it on here, on the white space, behind derivation. No, this side, right side, right, perfect. You came, yeah, right. So it is mapped. This is the one link. And for the other link also you need to map. So you change, go to output name tab on the above side. Above one, right? Click it. Paste link 11. Same thing you do here. So map the data here, okay? Okay. So for one thing you give the properties and for the other you haven't given the properties. Right. So here the table is member. You give already member underscore DUP, right? Keep this member. MEMB here. And it's already there. Right. You keep it Y, reference, it's not a problem. You know all the properties, right? And click on connection. Connection above data source. And user. And card. Again click on connection. Click on password. Tiger. Okay. Wait. You need to give the data source of Oracle. Perfect. Connection. Okay. Now click on OK. Perfect. Now save and compile and run this job. Something went wrong. Press on close. Click on the upper one. You need to give again the properties. Member underscore DUP. It's DUP only, right? Want to please it? Table name. Perfect. Same properties will give. So here we will give offset option this time. Right method is equal to offset we will give. Right method is equal to offset. No, the above one, right? Offset. So offset made a difference, right? I will tell about that. Okay, keep it inside for as of now. I will tell about that. Keep this as of now. Inside. Right. Keep it as right. But now, hit plus OK. Compile. close, run, so you can now load the one file to n number of tables, right, by using a copy stage. So what is meant for a copy stage? So copy stage is used to give n number of outputs from a single input. So copy stage will be having one input link and will be having n number of output links as per the requirement. Okay, fine. And now what it happened is these two tables need to be in sync, but due to some reason a record in the member underscore DUP got deleted. So please delete a record in a member underscore DUP in your Oracle table. Delete from member underscore DUP where member ID is equal to 4. Why 2 rows got deleted? Okay. So now we need to fetch what is the row that is present in the member table and what is the row which is not present in the member underscore group table. So how we will be knowing in a real case scenario? If suppose you have one row, you deleted, you came to know. If this n number of rows got deleted, how you will be knowing? So we will be knowing by using a minus square. So we will do minus based on the key column. What is our key column? Member ID. So select member ID from, so in Oracle, select member ID in Oracle, not here. Select member ID from member minus select member ID from member underscore DUP 4. So that's what the thing we did, right? So this is an interview question. The table is asking. So you have few records in table A and you have few records in table B. I need to know the records which are present in A but not in B. And same question can be translated from B present in B and not in A. So this is one part of the interview question, the minus query. So what is an alternative for minus query? This is also one question being asked. So we will do a left outer join from member and member group. You do now select start from member left outer join member underscore DUP on member dot member ID equal to member underscore DUP dot member ID. Enter. We got all the rows. See here. So what we need, so what is the left outer join? No, right? All the rows present in left hand table, matching rows present in the right hand table. So we want the unmatched rows. So for the unmatched rows, the member ID will be null from of the right table. So here the right table is what? Member underscore do. Right table is member underscore do. So we need to check if you copy and paste the same query by doing one more AND operator. Copy and paste the same query. Same query. Same query paste. Go to end, remove the semicolon and member underscore member and if you end, right, and operator should be used and space member underscore DUP MEMBR member dot member ID is null. Is null. And so what it had happened? 4 and 5 are the records which are present in the member table and which are not present in the member ID table. So this is one of the alternatives. That is, one more thing. Although you do many operations, the operations will not be saved in the table. You need to use the command COMM90. Use COMM91. COMM90. Press MM90. Save. Right. Enter. Now all the changes have been done. If you are not using COMM90, all the changes will not be saved. Okay? So now you execute the same query now. It is missing somewhere. It is missing. You copy first and then the second line. Perfect. You delete one record from member table. Sorry, member underscore group table. Delete from. Underscore DUP. We don't have the recording. Okay, it's already saved, right? Sorry, the query should be member ID. Total join member underscore. So we need the data that is present in member, and this is not present in member underscore 2. Member underscore 2. Okay, now it is fine. Okay. So Ali, you can do it, right? If I give an assignment. Okay, and this will take 2 more stages, simple stages will take. Okay, you take one more copy of the job, of the original job, the first job only, right? Create a copy. Okay, so here it changes to DS file, rename DS file. For underscore 2, you change to modify. Mode DF, DIF, modify. Okay? You open that job. You open the modify job. Earlier you inserted a copy stage in middle of that, right? So same way you can see the modify stage underscore processing stages. Modify, it goes to M. Right, pull it. Join the sequential file and modify stage. No. You pull the link from ODBC enterprise side and keep it. No, don't pull one more link. So sequential file, every time you should have only one link. Okay, you pull the link. No. You pull the link what connected the ODBC to. Click on arrow. Pull that arrow. No. So drag one more link from there. Pull that arrow. Right. And from modify, click on ODBC enterprise underscore. Right. So modify stage is mainly used to rename the columns and drop the columns. Okay. So what we will do, you open the modify stage. Specification file, right? So you open the input file once, member underscore detail. So here just we want to change member ID to member underscore ID we want to change. So what I will do is go to specification there. So give member underscore ID. Member underscore ID is equal to, see, this should be case sensitive, member underscore ID, also please check, is equal to member ID. Old column name is equal to new column name is equal to old column name is equal to member ID. Okay. Perfect. Now click on option. So here again once we check specification, and I doesn't need member name here, so I want to drop the member name. So you drop in capital CROP. Save. So which column you want? Member name should be dropped, right? You copy. Save. Member name. You copy that. Ideally name is same, right? Right. Just okay. You go to output once. You go to output. And in the output you use the column names what you want only. So here you use member underscore ID. You change it to member underscore ID, right? So this is member underscore ID. So what is the SQL type integer? And here the second one is storage, because you drop the member underscore name. Okay. So that's it. That's paragraph 11. Okay, now perfect. Go, okay. Perfect. Go to okay. Fine. And go to ODBC enterprise underscore file. We will be creating a new table here. It doesn't have a table with only 2 columns. So the table name is member underscore FACT. You tell FACT. Right? FACT, and you give all the connection names. The mode should be right mode open. You change it to create, right? Data source. You give all features. Perfect. Everything is fine now. Compile and run the job. What is this? Very costly. You check the log for this job. Open the log. Name. You see, you click on the blue symbol shows, the green symbol shows. See, first thing, the blue color shows it's the old file, old log. This is not our job. Click on, see, you have one time clock symbol, right? Beside that one symbol is there, right? You click on that, right? So now our stage is base file to modify. Compile, right? close it. Click on close. Right, click on log. Right click. You log. You check the data in the table was created or not? Yes. Fine, right? So we store the data into the same with two only columns. And one more thing. See, I said two properties are modified. One more property is here. Please open the data feature. You click on modify. So if you want one more specification, click on specification, and you can do one more specification here. Options is there. Right click. One more specification is there. Right. So you came to know about how to rename a column. Old column name is equal to new column name. See here, you click on drop member name. Left side, you click on drop right. Here, if you want to drop more than one column, just use the column name by keeping the comma. Okay. So what it does is, from the input flow, it will drop all the columns which are mentioned in this property. And there is one more property called keep. Suppose there are like 100 columns. If we want to keep only one column, that means we need to give a drop statement like drop column 1, column 2, like this 99, right? So instead of that, we will keep is equal to column 100. So that we will keep only column 100 and we will drop all the columns. So we will be using either drop or either keep. Okay? Did you get it right? So instead of that, we can give here like keep member underscore ID, comma, coverage date. So it will keep only those two columns. Keep space member underscore ID, comma, coverage date. Right. In the specification 3, you remove it. Right click on it and say remove. Perfect. Now compile and run. Run. It's got failed. Wait. You open the manifestation. And here you keep, press on, under keep you keep it as member underscore ID. Keep it as member ID. Member ID. Only member ID, not underscore ID. Now you run this. Run. Again, see, the table is already there, right? That's why I think that's the reason. You change it to, now you change that property of create to update. Create to update. And like anything happened, you can keep it as happened. Okay. And here you keep it as member underscore ID. No. Here you keep it as member underscore ID. Member underscore ID. Here you can keep it member underscore ID. Right. Now you compile and run. First one close. First one run. Run. Okay, it got added. Got added. Let's fix it. Okay, fine, right? So you got the complete usage of modify, and then see one more thing. You open the ds file underscore 2 underscore copy underscore table. Right. Open it. let me do one thing. In the DS link and the ODBC underscore enterprise underscore 6, I want to rename a column. So we can rename a column using the copy stage also. That is, you click on cancel, just cancel it. And you click on copy underscore 9. Click on output. So you keep it like okay. DS link 10 you are changing. Okay, make a note down. Click on column. Beside mapping. About that, right? So they change member ID to member underscore ID. Click on OK. Okay. Now click on once again open and click on the mapping. Copy, mapping. Output mapping. See here, you drag the link to right side. The scroll down the right side. The down scroll bar. Down one. Right. Scroll down to right. See here you can see member underscore ID. So it is renamed, right? So you can rename using a copy paste. So click on OK now. So this thing can be used. So if you click on the ODBC underscore enterprise underscore 5. Upper one. See, I am creating a new table. DUP. Click on table is equal to. Give name. DUP underscore CPY. And here right code will be created because it is a new table. Right. Click on OK. Now compile and run. Ideally it should run. Click on run. So both were loaded. So click the table in Oracle. Select start from member underscore DUP underscore CPY. So new table created with the union member underscore ID, right? Earlier it is member ID. So we can use the copy space for renaming also, right? So this is the two purpose of copy space. So to copy the output for multiple times and for renaming the column. One more thing. You need to make sure you click on copy space. See, output is there, right? See, there is a one scroll down bar. DS link 10 and DS link scroll down bar. Output name. DS link 10 is here, right? Above that. No. You go up. There. Yeah. You scroll down that. You scroll down on DS link 11. Keep DS link 11. Right. See, here for DS link 11, member ID is member ID. We haven't changed anything. Check. So we changed it for member ID only for one table. That is going on the DS link 10. That is member underscore DUP underscore CPY. And for member table, everything is same, right? So we need to make sure that on which link you are working and that link is going to which table. So we need to check which link is going to which table and we need to select that link in the output name tab and we need to make some modifications. So in order to modify a column, go to column, beside mapping. Go to columns beside mapping. No, that column. Don't go to that column. That column. So here you change the name so that it will be changed. Okay, you got it, right? Okay. So please change the annotation, the purpose of each job and what it is doing. Okay. So you got it, right? You can work on the assignment, right? If I give. So how do you feel about it? Is it you are getting something you can do, you are confident that you can do by looking at the video? Okay, then fine. Then finally I will be sending some assignment. If I teach more also you can forget that. Okay. So I said about the copy stage and modify stage today. I'll be saying some more few more stages. I will complete this something like 10 to 15 days, and then we will start the real time. So this is the basic thing which you need to know before starting the real time. Okay? Okay, that's fine then. I'm logging off then. Bye. I will drop you a mail in an hour or two regarding the work you need to do. Okay? I will mail you the video also. Okay? Good. Okay. Yeah, you did it. That's what I'm saying from the first. You doesn't need to do practical session once again. Okay? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay then. Bye. Have a good day. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.